pull it? Okay. Okay, Micah, pull Hannah. Pull towards me. Let me help you.
I can do it.
I know. Yep, pull her. You want to ride, Noah? I guess the fun is pulling.
Apparently.
You want to ride in your sled, Micah? Want me to pull you fast?
You pull me and I'll put it on the pedestrian.
Okay, that'd be fun.
Woo!
Pull your sled. Boys, what are you doing?
Playing the flat.
What did you build?
A flat.
Micah can't even see. Where are you at?
I'm on that flat.
You under the fort?
Well,
Can you tell me about the fort?
I only blankets and buddies.
Blankets and buddies. What about this big yellow thing over here?
What big yellow? Oh, the banana.
The big banana?
Oh, the big banana. And me.
Well, Micah?
And me.
Yes, I see you.
No, you don't.
What? Really? Yeah? Hey, I have an idea. Come here, sweetheart. Here, Hannah. Micah, it's okay, buddy. It's you know what? Forts have different entrances and exits. That's the feature of forts.
No, there's only one place to get in now.
Did you make it so there's only one entrance?
Yes.
But he went in a different way?
Yeah, and I didn't like that.
I know.
Can you tell him to not do that, please?
We'll see. You seen Micah. Some boys.
Please not get in that.
He's going. I wonder where the action is. Hey, Micah, it's okay, buddy.
No, he's not supposed to get in that way.
Hey, did you set this up to block Hannah?
What?
You set this up to block Hannah?
It's a vent!
Did you make the fence, Noah?
It's a vent, Daddy!
Did you make the fence, Noah?
No, Micah did.
Micah, you made the fence?
No.